Hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, guys, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so did you get a chance to subscribe for Azure free trial? Anyone? Just I'm asking, did you get a chance to subscribe for
Mm,
Azure free trial? Anyone has any
not yet,
queries?
not yet,
Okay.
Sekhar.
Sorry?
I didn't subscribe yet. Really?
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, try to subscribe
Yeah,
it
but
today.
I was
Uh,
about to ask the same. Actually, I was about to ask the same. It is only for the 30 days, right? And we have 60 days session. So is it a good time to do it right now or
yeah, try to do it now. Why? Even though if you have other credit cards and all, so without practice, it is difficult, right?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sure, then I'll do it today itself.
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay, see, now I am going to discuss about what? How I am going to show you how to deploy one model and how we can utilize it for our web application. Okay, yeah, next go to portal.azure.com. Okay, just go to portal.azure.com. Okay, yeah, sign in. Yeah, come on, tell me guys, what is the Microsoft Azure? Just I will give you 3 minutes to revise the last two sessions. Then I will show you directly demo. Okay. Yeah. What is the Microsoft Azure AI? Microsoft Azure AI is a cloud-based AI platform where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the what? Intelligent application is called Microsoft Azure AI. So why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI? Microsoft Azure AI, they are providing lot of pre-built services which can be directly integrate with your application. Okay, yeah. Next, Microsoft Azure AI, they came up with what? Low code, no code, full code. Okay, yeah, next. Third one is they are providing enterprise grade security for customer data so that 100% we can maintain compliance instead of non-compliance. Got it? Clear? Okay, so these are the advantages of the what? Azure AI. Okay, yeah, next. Now, Azure AI, they are providing beautiful AI infrastructure. Okay, you can scale it out or scale down anytime, depends on business demands. Okay, yeah, so here they are providing the infrastructure with CPU. Other one is what? GPU. Next one is TPU. So, TPU. Okay, so your AI application can deploy on top of anywhere. AI application can deploy on top of anywhere. Okay, now have a look. Now have a look. Navigate to AI services. So this is the Azure portal. You can access portal.azure.com. Okay, here we have n number of categories, guys. So if you observe AI, ML, analytics, compute, container, databases, DevOps, okay, and hybrid and multi-cloud identity, integration, Internet of Things, yeah, okay, mixed reality, and networking, security. Other one is what? Web and mobile. Okay, we have n number of categories. N number of categories. Azure itself, it is the big product. They are supporting more than 300 plus services. So whatever the services you want directly, you can deploy and consume it for your application. Okay, so our total Azure AI, okay, Azure AI depends on this topic. Total Azure AI depends on this category. When I go for AI ML, we have machine learning. We have machine learning, AI search, bot, custom, immersive reader, speech services. Next, video indexer, computer vision, custom, Azure AI, translator. Next, other one is what? Face detection, personalizer. Many things are there. These are all Azure AI. Okay, 102. Other one is what? AI 900. It will come into the picture. Okay, yeah, next. Now, I am going to discuss about what? How to deploy one model in GPT. Okay, so here you can go and search OpenAI. Okay, what is that? OpenAI. Okay, what is that? Azure Open. This is what? AI Foundry. Okay, now Azure OpenAI. Do you know what is the Azure OpenAI, guys? Can anyone tell me? What is the OpenAI? OpenAI is a what? AI startup company. They are providing beautiful GPT models. What is that? What is the OpenAI? OpenAI is a artificial intelligence startup company, or we can say research and development company. Okay, OpenAI is a what? Leading artificial intelligence research and development company. They have provided lot of pre-built services. They are providing artificial intelligence services. Okay, they are highly autonomous systems that operate what humans can perform automatically. Our OpenAI applications are performing. Okay, actually, this was founded by 2015. In the year 2015, the company was founded. Okay, they are providing GPT models. Got it? Dole, Codex, okay, Whisper, like n number of popular models they have provided. Okay, now if you are coming to the GPT series, what is that GPT series? We have 3.0, first thing. Next, we have 4.0. Next, GPT-5. Now latest version is GPT-5. Series is what? GPT-3, GPT-4, GPT-5. Okay, these are the series. GPT-5 is the most powerful recently they have launched. Okay, yeah, next. Now, go ahead and create one OpenAI services. Okay, here, first thing is you need to create subscription. What is the subscription? Can anyone tell me, guys, in Azure? What is the subscription? Subscription is nothing but collection of remote services. Sorry, subscription is collection of resource groups. Okay, resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, what is the subscription? Collection of resources. Subscription is a what? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Collection of resources. Okay, so this is the subscription. Subscription is nothing but collection of resource group. Resource group is collection of what is that? Resources. Okay, yeah. So what is the subscription, guys? Can anyone tell me generally? People will talk about do you have Amazon Prime subscription or Netflix subscription and all, right? Yeah. Can you tell me what is the subscription?
It is a package or for to be used the service for some time.
Okay. Simply we can say subscription is like a license. Are you getting? Subscription is nothing but it is a license. Got it, guys? Okay, subscription is nothing but it's a license, and uh, based on the license, we can deploy and manage the services in Cloud Vendor. For example, we are using free trial. Is it have capability to deploy high level configuration and virtual machines? No. So depends on type of subscription this you have owned. According to that, you can provision the services in Azure. For example, we are working on what is that? Subscription is free trial. Can I go ahead and deploy GPT models? GPT model they have launched August 10th. Can I go and consume it? No. So if we have the subscription, yes, we can go and implement whatever the type of model you want recently that was developed by OpenAI. Okay, fine. Now have a look. So that is what subscription. Subscription is nothing but license. Okay, underlaying that whatever the services are deployed and eventually end of the month we have billing. Okay, invoice would be generated, you have to pay. That is called license. There are various types of subscriptions are there. Okay, first we are discussing about free trial. Same way when you go for pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. Okay, yeah, next apart from that we can go for Visual Studio Enterprise. Okay, Visual Studio Premium. Other one is what? Visual Studio Developer. Okay, like Microsoft Partner, Microsoft Student, and all, like we have around 30 plus subscriptions are there. Okay, depends on business requirement. We customers can go and purchase it. Now, one organization can have multiple subscriptions. Can anyone tell me? Can organizations have multiple subscriptions?
Ideally, yes.
Yes, one organization can have n number of subscriptions. What is their limitation? You are paying the amount, they are providing the facility. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next. See, this is the subscription. If you observe, unless laying up subscription, 100% we required one resource group. That is mandatory. Now, what I can do now, go to here, navigate to resource group. Navigate to resource group. Create a resource group. Okay, create a resource group. Here I am giving my Azure AI-RG. What is the resource group name, guys? My Azure AI-RG. Resource group is a container. Note it down. First point, resource group is a container which holds the resources, which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Azure project solution. Okay, so in Azure, each and every service, in Azure, each and every service must and should fall down under, must and should fall down under one resource group category. Must and should fall down under one resource group category. Okay, yeah, next. Now have a look. Here under subscription is what? Free trial. I am using resource group Azure AI-RG. Region is what? Central US. Now click on next. Okay, click on next. Next, now tags. What are the tags? Tags are name value pairs. See, here it is giving. Tags are name value pairs, which will give the information about resource. Okay, tags in the sense it is the labeling, guys. Labeling in the sense, again, you assume that now you are purchasing one laptop. Okay, so the laptop, that wrapper, it contain one label. Am I right? The wrapper, it contain one label. Got it? So the label which contain entire organization information. The what is that? Organization information. Organization information. Okay, yeah. Now, if we purchase the laptop, right, it contain labeling, right? Labeling, it contain what? All the information about product. Simply, we can say cost, brand, manufacturing date, okay, and warranty details, and what else we have? What are the other things are there inside of the box? Okay, that all item it contain what? Labeling. That we can call it as what? Here technically tags. Tags feature is there for every service in Azure. Okay, tags feature is there for every service in Azure. Note it down. Tags feature is there for every service in Azure. Okay, yeah. Next here I am giving C. Project. What is the project, guys? PWC I am giving. Okay, project name is PWC. Next, I can say client. Who is the client? My environment. What is that environment? Production. What is the environment? Production. Click on next. Hit on review plus create it. Okay, hit on review plus create it. Refresh one time. See, one resource group has been created. So this is the resource group. This is the subscription. Where did I deploy? Central US. If I click on this resource group, okay, if I click on this resource group, okay, yeah, here we have tags. See, this is the dashboard. See, project is PWC, client is Mike. There is another tag called what? Environment production. Nice, right? By look at these tags, we can easily come to know that what is happening. Got it? Yes or no? Yeah, so this is about what? Tags. Now, I am going to deploy one service underlying of what? My Azure AI-RG. My Azure AI-RG. Now, go to here, open AI. Okay, what is the OpenAI, guys? OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research and development company, and for provided the powerful GPT models, powerful models. Okay, yeah, powerful models means GPT model, DALL-E, Sora, Codex. Okay, each model we can use it for different purpose. Codex is there to develop our own code. We will use it. Automatically, it will provide the code. Sora is there. We can develop new videos. You people are nowadays, you know, right? Social media. What is the real? What is the fake? We are unable to find it out. Okay, such kind of beautiful natural videos we can develop using Sora model. Clear? Yeah, next. Now go ahead and create OpenAI services. Go ahead and create OpenAI services. Again, have a look. This is the subscription. This is the resource group. Here, resource group, I am choosing what? Azure AI-RG. Azure AI-RG. Okay, now region East US. When you click on East US, I would like to deploy it in Central US. What is that? I would like to deploy it in Central US. So what is the region? This is the interview question. Anyone? What is the region? A region is a geographical location is called region. Region is a what? Geographical location called region. Clear? So Microsoft providing uh, 60 plus regions. What is that? 60 plus regions. Around 140 countries Microsoft has provided their own. What is that? Regions. Okay. Yeah, simple. Now I am choosing what? Central US. Okay. Assume that I have more customers in Central US, so that I am going to deploy my services in Central US, so that I am bringing my services into customers, near to customers. Got it? So that's why. So based on your requirement, we can go and deploy. For example, I have more customers in India. I can go and deploy in South India. Just type India. See, there is a South India. You can deploy it. Assume that I have more customers in Central US. Okay, I am going to deploy it in Central US. Where is that? Just type US. Why Central US is not coming? Australia, Central, Canada, East US, South, West, Canada, Central. Okay, let it be. I am taking, what is that? East West. Fine. Anything is fine. Okay, now name my Azure Open AI services. My Azure Open AI. Now hit enter. Okay. Now what is the pricing tag? I am taking standard. I am taking just an example, guys. Going forward, each and everything I will explain it. Need not worry. Now click on next. Okay. So would you like to access this in all networks, public as well as private? Yes, that case you can enable all the networks. Okay. Yeah. Next, click on next. Okay, so these are the tags. Tags are what? Tags are name value pairs which will give the information about resource. What is that? Tags are name value pairs which will give the information about resource. Now here I am giving again previously we created client, mic, environment, production. Okay, yeah, next project. Sorry, a project is what? PWC. Now you can mention what is this project. Okay, sales project. I can say banking project, BFS project type. I can say project hyphen type. What is the project type? BFS hyphen some 0 1 999 something you can mention project code. Okay, project type is what? BFS means banking and finance sector. Okay, now click on next. Okay, hit on review plus create it. Hit on review plus create it. Okay, it has been created successfully. See guys, this is the Azure OpenAI. Here you can see. Okay, these are the tags. Okay, so resource group is what? My Azure OpenAI active east US. This is what? OpenAI standard and endpoint manager keys. Okay, yeah, so this is what? Subscription and the subscription ID. Okay, here we have what is that? Explore and deploy. See, explore and deploy your generative AI models, craft unique prompts for your use cases, and fine tuning selected models. Okay, so what is the OpenAI? As I said, OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research and development company. They have provided beautiful models. Okay, they have developed what? Beautiful models. Microsoft and OpenAI collaboratively, they are developing the projects. They are developing the models. These models Microsoft directly can integrate. Why? Because Microsoft is a big partnership having with OpenAI. Got it, guys? So they are developing what? Highly autonomous systems that outperform for humans. They are providing highly autonomous systems, okay, which is outperformer for humans. Okay, mostly economically developing the business strategy where exactly they are using all OpenAI solutions. Clear? Yeah, next. Now that's what. Here it is giving clear information. Okay, so OpenAI is a what? Model start with make a API calls, connect your own data, call functions, improve workflows with Azure OpenAI language. Image, speech models, you can, what is that? Access services through REST APIs, Python SDK, and web-based interfaces, that all you can use it. Okay, so here you can see explore what? And explore and deploy the generative AI models, craft unique prompt tunnel. Now open AI Foundry. See what is the AI Foundry, guys? Note it down. AI Foundry is a unified platform. Okay, AI Foundry is what? Unified platform where we can build, deploy, manage the applications. Yeah, so this is the what? Azure OpenAI portal. Okay, Azure OpenAI portal. So one thing, please remember this is important. OpenAI models can be accessed directly. This is the one method. Second one is what? Using only Azure, guys. Okay, OpenAI models can access directly from OpenAI or else Azure. So you may have query that can we access these models through, as you know that already OpenAI models are very popular models, okay, in the market. So can we access them through AWS? No. Can we access them through Google? No. Only there is a strong collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft. Microsoft invested a lot of amount on OpenAI, so both combinedly they are developing the models so that Microsoft directly can integrate their products. Okay, I hope this point is very clear. Now, here, as I said, OpenAI, Microsoft, they have developed GPT models. What is that? GPT models. These GPT model series is what? 3.0 is the first model. Second is 4.0 series. Now 5.0 series. Okay, yeah, next. Now, yeah, for example, 4.0, there is a 4.0 nano, 4.0 mini, like that different categories are there based depends on business requirement, you can use it, guys. Depends on business requirement, you can use it. Clear? Yeah, next. Now there is a created deployment. I am going to deploy GPT-4. GPT-4, GPT full form is what, guys? What is the full form of the GPT? Anyone? You people are using chat GPT, right? What is the full form of the GPT? Come on. What is the full form of the GPT? Generative pre-trainer transformer. People keep on using the GPT, chat GPT, right? What is the full form of the GPT? Generative pre-trainer transformer. Okay, yeah, next. Now have a look. Create a deployment. Okay, create a deployment from base model. Have you observed see GPT-5 is there. Recently they have launched, but we do not have the permission to deploy it. So we need to purchase it. Okay, GPT-5 mini, GPT-5 nano, three are there. Okay, so total they have provided what? GPT-5, GPT-5 mini, GPT-5 nano, GPT-5 chart. Okay, now chart it is working fine. It is really previously it was not working. So total GPT chart is working. I am going to deploy this one. Okay, or else you can go ahead and use what is that? GPT-4o. GPT-4o. 4. Okay, see GPT-4o. I am choosing GPT-4o. Let it be. Okay, so GPT-4o offers very good model to fulfill the project requirement. Okay, so what is the GPT-4o? It is ship allow how AI model can interact with multiple inputs and the combining combination of text, images, audio. GPT-4o provide rich and more engineering user experience. Okay, so performance is good. Okay, and it will work exactly like a chat GPT, but we can integrate with our custom applications and all. You know, right? Chat GPT, they are using large language models and it has been trained publicly and authorized data for entire world. Okay, that's why when you type it something, automatically it is giving with 100% accuracy data. Okay, now I am using GPT-4o. Now confirm it. Okay, so this is the one. See, this is the GPT-4o deployment name. If you want, you can rename it. Next, this is the version. This version they have launched last year, November 20th. Okay, AI service name is what? My Azure OpenAI. Region is East US. Maximum 50 key tokens per minute we can access. What is the tokens, guys? Tokens. One word called one token, guys. Simply we can say. Hi, how are you? How are you is what? Two tokens. My name is Dhanshekar. My name is Dhanshekar. It will consider as three tokens. Okay. So like one word, they can treat it as one token. So 50k token in the sense 50 words it will accept it. Okay. That is called token. Now deploy it. See, I am deploying this GPT-4o in Azure Cloud Computing. See, this is the 4o. Okay, now this is the chat GPT exactly, guys. This is the chat GPT. Now, if I type, what is Azure? What is Azure? Say it is giving the information. Nice, right? So if I ask, what is AWS? It is giving the answer. Okay, what is Google? I am giving what is Google. So I am able to search everything. But my requirement is my chart should respond for only what? Azure related queries, guys. Okay, Azure related queries. Now here you can update the prompt. Okay, this we can call it as system prompt or user prompt. I am giving you are a AI assistant. It helps us people to find the information. Okay, I am giving the prompt. Okay, please give the information about only Microsoft Azure. That's it. This time what will happen now? When you type it about Google, AWS and Azure, it will respond for only Azure related queries. Okay, Azure product I am changing. Azure product. Okay, now apply the changes. Apply the changes. Okay, changes have been applied. Now clear the window. Clear the window. Now if I type what is the AWS, okay, what is AWS? If I type it, it won't respond. To apply the changes, it will take time. Okay, again I am changing. Do not respond for any other queries. Okay, I am changing the prompt. This we can call it as system prompt. So based on my directions, chart should work. Okay, now apply the changes. Okay, changes made applied. Now I am giving what is AWS. It should not respond. That is what my intention. See guys, now it is giving. See, I can only provide the information related to Microsoft Azure product. That's it. If I type what is Google Cloud, it won't respond. Okay, see, I can only provide the information about what is that Microsoft Azure product, not any other information. So for example, if we use this information, this model for your healthcare domain, for example, assume that I have, what is that? One big hospital. Okay, so there nurses, doctors should access only my hospital related data and patients information. So when you implement this model, nurses, doctors, receptionists and all, they can access only hospital related data, not beyond that in the chatbot and all. Like that we can develop it. See, this is the simple one I am explaining. So there are multiple policies and are there. For example, I am the nurse. I should access only limited information. You are a doctor. You should access some other patient data as well. Okay, there is a high level surgeries doctor is there. You should able to access total what manipulation of the data. So as I am working as a nurse, if I able to access patient related data, that would be violation, right? I can disclose a patient's information with other relatives and all. That is not a rule. Okay, that is the big what is that security violation. You should we should respect what is that patient's data. We should respect patient's words and all. Okay, like you can manage the models and all. Okay, now my application is ready. I would like to integrate with my application. How can I do that? There is a one option, deploy it as a web app. Okay, so how it will happen now? How we people are using Chat GPT? Chat GPT also application. So backend they have implemented large language models. According to my request, response is back to the client. Same way, this is my application. My application requirement is it should respond only Azure related information or healthcare related information or banking related information. That is depends on business requirement. Got it? Now I am using what? My TCS chatbot. Okay. Chat GPT, right? I am giving my TCS chat GPT. There is a chatgpt.com. Okay. OpenAI.chatgpt.com. Here I am giving my TCS chat GPT. Okay. 0199. Name should be unique. Okay. Yeah. Next 5 names I am giving. Subscription. This is the subscription. Okay, yeah, location, I am choosing my Azure AI-RG. Okay, location here I am choosing East US 2 or Central US. Now it is giving Central US. I am going to deploy it in Central US. Okay, service plan, I am taking standard. Standard is enough so that it will perform the better to handle the load and all. Right, I am deploying. Just click on deploy. So what does that mean? These models directly I am integrating with my custom application. Okay, now there is no application. I am deploying my custom application as well. I will come from scratch everything, guys. Okay, just I want to show you like how models can be integrate with our custom application. That's it. Okay, deployment is in progress. Where we can check the deployment status? Here, come to here. There is a deployment. See, GPT deployment model is in progress. Okay, state is succeeded. Model is okay. Now go ahead and deploy the verify the applications. Okay, verify the applications. Now, if I go for ChatGPT, see what is happening here. Deploy your web app. Deploying the web app, it will take few minutes. You can view the status on deployment tab. You can see the status in deployment tab. Okay, so now go to Azure portal. Okay, navigate to resource group. Navigate to resource group. This is the resource group which I have created in front of you. See, this is the application, guys. Okay, what is the application? My chart GPT 01555. Now click on it. Okay, yeah, have you observed here it is showing what? Resource group, location central US, status is running. This is what? My URL. How we people are accessing the chart GPT, right? I can access mine. So this is the application plan, operating system backend Linux, and this is the subscription, and these are all the tags. Tags project type is what? Azure OpenAI, your data services. If you want, you can edit the tags and implement. Okay, model I am going to, what is the model we have deployed? GPT 4o. I am giving GPT 4o. Okay, you can save it. You can save it. Okay, refresh one time. See, this is what? My application, right? Navigate to my chart GPT application. This is the plan. This is the app services. My TCS chart GPT 01999. Access it. It is loading. It will take some time to load.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it opening only in your session or it is publicly available? The current URL.
This URL, if I give the permission, you can also access it. I need to
Okay.
provide the permission.
Mhm.
Okay, you can see. I will share the URL. You can check. See, what is the my URL? My TCS chart GPT dot azure dot website dot net. Okay, see, it is asking accept. Okay, see, this is the permission. If I give the permission, you can access it, guys. Okay, see, guys, nice, right? See, my TCS chart GPT 01159 AzureWebsite.net. If you want, you can change the name. I can purchase the domain name like tcs.com. I can map it. No worries. Okay. Now, if I ask, what is the capital of India? Okay. Will I get the response or not? Can anyone tell me? Come on. Will I get the response or not?
No.
No, no, we
No,
have
right? Yeah.
given
See.
no.
Why? Because I have provided strict instructions that apart from Azure, you should not respond anything. See, what is that? I am assist you with information that are only Azure product. Okay, if I ask what is the Azure AI and what Azure and what is Azure Open AI? Okay, yeah, hit enter. I should get. What is the Azure and what is the Azure OpenAI? See, what is the Azure OpenAI? Azure OpenAI provides the customer to access OpenAI powerful language models. Got it? Next. So that is what? Generative pre-trainer transformer. They are providing Codex, DALE, Sora, everything. Key features of Azure OpenAI is what? Access OpenAI models directly integrated with Azure services. This is what just I did now. Okay, yeah, next, enterprise grade security, custom fine tuning model, responsible of Azure AI usages. Okay, customer support, content generation, code assistant, data analysis, creative applications. See, wonderful, right? If I ask what is AWS cloud? AWS cloud. See, it won't provide. See, I am here to assistant, so only this one. Nice, right? Yes or no? There is a sweeper symbol. Click on it. Yeah, it will clear the window. Same how we people are using Chart GPT, right? This is a Chart GPT. So what is Azure AI in the sense it is giving how to clean it up? You can go and open new chart. That's it. Okay. See, code is generating here. Nice, right, guys? So this is about what? How to deploy one powerful GPT 4.0 model, that how we can integrate my custom application. Okay, if you go for open source and all, to develop the application itself, it will take months and months. Integrating GPT and all, again the challenge. But here Microsoft provided very seamless, beautiful environment which can directly integrate with our application. Nice, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how, what is that? We can use small GPT model. There are many things are there, which I will explain one by one. Okay. So need not worry. I am the architect in Azure AI itself. Whatever I know, everything I will explain. Like whatever we are implementing in current projects, everything I will show this showcase.
Shekhar, I have a use case actually.
Sorry.
I have a use case.
Okay.
All of our project data is hosted on Confluence,
Okay.
and I want to create a GPT model on top of that. If I want to search anything from any other teams, the similar solutions or something like this, I need something. I need a prompt-based a bot which will help me to find the correct documentation
No.
and other
See,
things.
to retrieve the data within your offices, some particular project, those URLs and those data can be customize it and integrate those URLs.
Okay.
So that data will be pulled out from only these URLs, those data sources. Where exactly is little bit customization is required. You
Okay.
know, right? For example, that is the whatever you are asking, Copilot is there, right? Copilot, Microsoft developer.
Yes.
So once your organization purchases the Copilot, the data that can be searchable within the organization. Output will not come from outside.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
the
Yes.
first preference it will give. So
Yes.
what does that mean? They are deploying your Copilot on top of your organization data only. Where exactly it will suitable. So now you people can go and customize it. Okay. Another your custom Copilot is there where you can provide the integrate your custom URL data, documentation, repository, URLs and all, so that your custom Copilot can retrieve the data from only mentioned data sources. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, so like that we can implement. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, we have to go for customization. That also I will show you how we can develop our custom Copilot, in how we can apply the sources. That all we can see. Okay, yeah, so this is the overview. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me.
Yeah. So actually,
Sorry. So this is about overview. So next session onwards, we will start about what is that? And Python basics and all. Python mandatory. See, directly I am integrating. If you want to do some modification and all, who will take care about it? They are providing what? Python, Java, C Sharp. These three are powerful guys. C Sharp, Java. Other one is what? Python is the market leader. I can say now. Okay, Python is the market leader. Now this is the GPT. You can have it and use the GPT models.
I have one question.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, I have a background of data engineering. So,
Okay.
how is this? Means how we can use this Azure AI for data engineering project? Can
Yeah,
it be
data
useful?
engineering, you are working on data factory, data bricks, SQL Synapse and all. Data engineering in the sense you are working on data bricks, data factory, SQL Synapse, these topics.
Uh, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So that is really you people are required AI. See guys, whatever you are working on, forget about it. Every man, every IT professional must and should landing into AI. No other deviation words. Whether you are .NET developer, I am administrator, someone power administrator, someone what is that storage administrator, 100% should adopt the AI. Okay,
Okay.
it is every sector it is useful. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
yeah,
Shekhar, I have few questions actually.
yeah.
Yeah. So first is I have almost 5 years of experience in operations, pure operations, and 4 years of experience in DevOps.
Okay,
So now I am switching into the AI.
okay.
So is it a wise decision?
Yes, yes, right decision.
Okay.
Yeah.
So another question is, if I join the course, I will need to pass the exams that you showed us, the AI 100, AI 102, and DP 900, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So I will need all the documentation and other supportive videos. So Durga is about to share the same with me, or this class is enough for the.
I will share, guys. Actually, the coding part and these classes and all enough. Apart from that, I will share the dumps as well. If you practice all those dumps and all, this is more than enough to crack the certification.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot for that.
yeah.
And Along with that, am I eligible for the for reviewing my resume to prepare it ATS friendly and some practice interviews?
Yeah, that I will provide. Yeah.
Yeah, and by default, Durga provides the referrals as well, right?
Yes, correct. AI 900 102 is fine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay then.
Yeah,
That's it.
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.